The like and unlike terms in polynomials. As explained in the previous tutorial, polynomials consist of one or more monomials connected together through addition or subtraction operations. When providing the definition of polynomials, we refer to the final form after all possible operations and/or simplifications have been made. Hence, the polynomial in the original form may need to undergo a process of changes, revisions, simplifications to take the final form, as in all examples discussed in the previous tutorial. However, not all operations with monomials are possible in every situation. We will explain in this tutorial how and when to make operations with monomial, but first, it is important to explain the definition of like and unlike terms in a polynomial. Thus, like terms in a polynomial are those monomials which have the same variable part but their coefficients are different. For example, 3x squared y and 7x squared y are like terms, because they have the same variables, letters, part, x squared y, but the numbers part is different, 3 and 7. Unlike terms in a polynomial are those monomials which have the different variable parts although their coefficients may be the same. For example, 4x squared y and 4x squared y squared are unlike terms because they have different variables, letters, parts, x squared y and x squared y squared, although the numbers part is the same, 4. Example: identify the like terms in the following polynomials. We have the following shown on screen. Solution: A. Like terms are those terms that have the same variables part. In the polynomial, we have the following shown on screen. We can identify the following pairs of like terms. We have the following shown on screen. The rest of the terms, 3x squared y squared and 2x squared y, are not like ones. B. Again, the same procedure is used to identify the like terms in the polynomial. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, we identify the following like terms in the previous polynomial. We have the following shown on screen. Only the term 3ab is not related to the others. That is all for lesson 11.2.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.2.2, the leading term and leading coefficient of a polynomial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.